always on the move. I try to keep you sheltered from me, but sometimes it seems the harder I try to do, the more it backfires on me. The things growing up as daddy had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me, but things have gotten so bad between us. I don't ever see we being together ever again like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then of course everything happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it's something we have no control over. That's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we wake up and this will always be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that upper lip, little lady. I told ya, daddy's gonna hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now. We don't know why. We fear how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright.